Pretty much done, bro. I just got to tune it.
Okay.
It's been busy.
And let's hear it. You guys know the CVO giveaway is finally sold out. So with that being said, man, you guys know the next big thing is finally here, man. You guys seen we got our 1987 Monte Carlo supercharged with all the oohs and ahs. It's finally done. It's finally about to be one of you guys, man. You guys seen I got the Elko, so it's time for me to share the Monte Carlo with you guys, man. Not only that, you guys see our strawberry lemon drop road glide. I'm gonna get that away to you guys too. Now, I took a first ride on that thing yesterday. Definitely has a 124 on that, man. If you guys haven't seen the first ride video, make sure you tune in to the next video after this, and it'll be the first ride video. So I can't wait. So just to be clear, man, we will be going live, giving away our 2023 CVO. We just updated our website with all new products. So if you guys haven't checked out the new website, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go check out the website. Like I say, time to go up, man. I was honestly thinking, you know, to kick off this new year, you guys know we raised the prices back up. So I'm like, let me give them a little bit more bang for their buck. So I'm thinking strawberry lemon drop road glide and Monte Carlo first place, El Camino and a surprise for second place, or we might just do 4 different places. You'll have 4 chances to win, or you can have 2 chances to win major prizes, man. You guys let me know what you want to do in the comments below. But as of right now, man, we did update our website. Everything on there will gain you entry into the new old school giveaway, man. Y'all know what time it is. Monte Carlo SS Aero Coupe Road Glide El Camino surprise from your boy Everything Regular. Like I said, we will be going live any day now. As soon as I get these masks and stuff in stock in my hand and send these things out, we will be going, man. I know how it is. Trust me, if it was up to me, I would have had them here a long time ago. But you can't control how fast people get things done, man. So sometimes we just gotta wait on it. It's already done. The list is already out. So learn to be patient, man. Y'all know what time it is. I'm about to get back in here, get in this workout. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go check out the new website. Go copy some new merch. It is live right now, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go up. What is up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I can't wait to get this day started. But first, let me order my order from Taco Bell. Hi. How you doing today, brother? Can I get a Mexican pizza? Could I get cinnamon twist? Could I get a medium Mountain Dew blast? Mild sauce? They always want to round up knowing theirs not about to donate, not a nail, nutter. All right, now that we got that out the way, I'm on my way to Done by D's house right now. We about to go hop in this Monte Carlo. We finally got it situated. Got the new transmission in there, new water pump, everything. We finally about to take this thing on a real first ride for the first time in a long time, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. It's been a long time coming. We took it all the way to the West Coast. Didn't get to drive it out there. So we brought it all the way back out here to the South. My boy Dumb ID got us right. Meanwhile, I don't know if the Elko is over here or not. So it's actually at the shop getting the wheels and stuff situated with the frame notching and everything. So we had to notch the frame on the Elko. So that may be back today or tomorrow, but I'll keep you guys updated with that. Meanwhile, man, I can't wait to hop in this thing and ride. It's freaking 33 degrees out here. Freezing right now, dog. You guys got any freaking water? I'm sure it's frozen if it wasn't running all night. I'm telling you, the pipes and all that. Streets is insane. That's something new. I didn't know nothing about black ice, but I learned today. That's for sure. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys entered in for the CVO giveaway, man, the list is out right now on my community page. And then I also email blasted everybody who subscribes to my email blast list. So make sure y'all go check that thing out, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go. Yeah, we just now pulling up to Done by D's, man. About to get this show on the road. Now, like I said, it is 30-something degrees out here. So we hooded up, and let's go see what Done by D got rocking. My guy. What's up, man?
Oh, that motherfucker ready, man.
Yeah. I ain't gonna even hold you. I can't wait to hop in this joint, man. Can't wait to hop in this joint, man. Yeah, we'll warm it up. Ooh, it's sounding lovely. It's sounding lovely. It's sounding lovely, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's probably about that time for this old school giveaway. Ooh, we got the new shifter up in this joint. Brand new shifter up in here. Look good, look flush. Everything is nice, clean. Everything, man. Y'all know what time it is now. This thing don't got new. I don't know if it got the heater or not, but we gonna be sliding that joint. That's for sure. I can't wait. Can't wait, man. We about to
We don't give a damn about no cold.
Oh yeah, we about to go up. We about to go up 30 degrees and all. I called him yesterday like, yeah, I would just let you chill out today, man. Look, we got ice on the back of this thing. Look, icicles. Real life icicles right here. That's crazy. The whole trunk is icicle down. Look, icicle down, man. Looking good, running good. We about to hop in this thing And we gonna take a ride around the city, might go get some food or something later on. But we gonna be in this for a few hours, man. So let's actually just go up to the garage and see what's up. And just like that, guys, we done finally made it to the garage, man. And this thing is a freaking beast. I ain't gonna even hold you. Thing is definitely a beast. It rides so much better and smoother now, and all the above. That's just so freaking sick. I'm excited now. Y'all know we giving away the CVO. If not today, I guess tomorrow. I don't know. I'll give you guys a date, but the list is out for this thing, man. So can't wait for that. Meanwhile, y'all know it's next up on the list, man. We done changed the prices back, so y'all know what time it is. We about to get this thing situated, moving and grooving. Meanwhile, old school giveaway. I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? What y'all want? Y'all want the old school Monte Carlo again? Y'all ready for it this time? So I actually got a new shifter in here as well. The other one, the golden one, was cool. It matched, but it was bull crap. This one is actually perfect. It's like just so smooth and everything. So got the rims on there now. The rims we were gonna put on here, I actually put those on the El Camino, man. So I finally found some use for those. And we would have had to do too much to get them rims on here. Now the other brush wheels would have been cool as well, but we'd have to go in and change this, that, get another steering wheel to match those wheels. It would have just been a lot of unnecessary money. But like I say, I guess if you guys win, you guys can change up and do what you want to do. Meanwhile, man, 1987 for the win, man. It's going up. Let's go, yay, yay. And now we do got lemon drop, strawberry lemon drop done. The strawberry lemon drop ready to go up. Big daddies on the big daddies. For the big daddies, come on, man. We need some more gas up in this joint, but it's all good. We're gonna get it together. Gonna get it together. But yeah, man, I can't wait. I'm excited. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, we are finally back in Miami right now. Just touched down in Miami a couple hours ago, man. And you guys are about to see why we're out here, man. I'm actually about to surprise my guys, pull up and see what's up with our ride, man. It's been about since August since I dropped this 2022 CVO Big Daddy off to these guys, man. They've been working on it, doing what they do best. It should be just about done, man. So we're about to pull up, see what it's looking like, and all the above. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Come hang with your boy for today. If you guys didn't know, we're about to pull up to All American Cycle, man. Like I said, I sent my Harley down here a long time ago, man. So it's just about time to shine, man. We waiting for our ride to pick us up right now. It's feeling nice out here. I got my shorts and everything on. That's how you know it's still like, it's freaking warm. In the south where I was at, man, it was freaking cold as heck and all the above. But we're bound to get this day started, man. I can't wait. Let's get it. If you guys are looking for the CVO giveaway, man, we are still getting some new products together and stuff right now. So once I upload the new products, within the next day or so, we should be going live pretty soon. And I think this is our ride, right? I'm paying attention already. He looking over there. I'm across the street. All right, man. We in this joint. You can turn the air down. It's cold up in here, man. AC down?
Music.
No. Climate. Yeah, climate. It's too cold.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. We are seeing like palm trees and everything, man. So you know we getting close. You know we getting close, man. We are about to pull up to All American right now, man. It's about to be a movie. It's time to go yay to the yay, man. Like I said, if y'all haven't already, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Now's the time. Ready? Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alrighty. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Alrighty. I haven't told him I was coming. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise, man. Surprise, fucking surprise. Let's go up. Y'all see what's going on, man. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Another day, another day, another day. George around? Inside. What's up, man? Yo. And they in there getting cracking. Let's see. We got the master at work right now, man. Is that your bike on the dyno? Yeah. What you do to it? A little bit of this, a little bit of that. He said, that's the funny part right there. My guy is in there getting cracking. Look, man, we just pulled up to the shop. He don't even know I'm here. I don't even know where my bike is at. I don't even know where mine's at, but they got some nice bikes up here. I ain't gonna even hold you. They got some nice bikes up here. Some ooh and ah effect on these Big Daddies. Ooh, I think I see mines. I think I might see mines in a cut over yonder. I think I might see mines in a cut over yonder, man. We gonna get to that in a hot second. But like I said, man, we up here at All American Cycle. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. Gold rims on the Big Daddy. Gold rims on the Big Daddy with the oohs and the ahs on that thing, man. Y'all see what it is. It's about to be a movie, man. I can't wait. I done seen my baby over there in the cut already, man. He about to pick up his bike, take it to North Carolina. So you know they doing bikes all across the country, man. So all across the country, they gonna have some heat. I can't wait to see what else they got in store. So is it sounding good or what, man?
Yo.
What's up, dog? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah.
Surprise.
Yeah, you know I have to pull up on you nice. I'm down here for a couple days, so I was like, fuck it, let me pull up, man.
What's up, man?
I see you in there getting cracking, man. Look good. Hey, man, y'all know this is the man with the plan, man. We up here at All American Cycles getting it in, man. I haven't been around so many bikes since I seen you last time, probably. It's a movie, man. Y'all see they got the shop in here. They got all the bikes lined up. They got a beast getting built over here. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing look insane. Insane, man. But y'all see what's going on. Whole lot of ooh and ah effect. Carbon fiber Big Daddies for the Big Daddies. I ain't gonna hold you. They got some hitters over here. These things is nice. I like this one right here. I think this is a old dude that was in Atlanta last time.
I like that too.
I forget where he's from, but I think this is his bike. He said he was gonna bring it here and get some ooh and ah effect done to it, so he got the ooh and ah effect done to it. Y'all see this one right here. I think these two actually raced. It looked like he done changed his up a little bit. Y'all hear this thing roar back here? Ew. Ew. Y'all hear it. Damn. That motherfucker is loud. Oh shit. I know that's gonna be a beast. Did you put a chain on it too or no? Yeah? Oh yeah, y'all about to fucking kill it. That's insane. Yeah, man, so of course after you get the work and stuff done, man, you gotta come over here and get this thing tuned up real nice and snazzy. I might have to come to North Carolina and come see about you, man. I might have to go to North Carolina. You know I gotta go to North Carolina anyway. I might have to go to North Carolina and see what's up with this Road Glide that they got in here that they just now building, man. So we gonna keep it rocking. Stay tuned. Y'all know what it is, man. It's definitely a movie. I'll make it back to y'all in a minute. All right, man, so we about to get a first startup on the CVO. I have not heard this thing in months, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's about to be a movie. Everybody is rocking. Oh my Lord. Dang, I haven't seen this thing in months. That's crazy. Oh my Lord. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. A return is near.
Pretty much done, bro. I just got to tune it.
Okay.
It's been busy. I put the filter on. Oh, and put the wheels and the swing arm on.
Wheels and the swing arm, man. Let's hear it. Oh yeah, we got some. Let me see what we got. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Big Daddy. I ain't gonna hold you. It's time, y'all. Yeah, it's time. That motherfucker sound like it's ready to go. Got all the oohs and ahs, man. We gotta clean it up. I can't wait. I'm excited. Ooh, we got some rumble in the jungle, man.
It's still WD-40 side of pipe.
I know how y'all be coming up, pulling up and all that. Trust me, I know you're gonna get me right. So you think we gonna fuck some people up this summer?
For sure. You got the sauce, buddy.
I can't wait, man. I can't wait, man. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it first, man. Big Daddy CVO all the oohs and ahs, man. I'm telling you. I don't think they want no smoke with this bad boy right here, man. I don't think they want no smoke. Don't want no smoke, but they ain't here tuning in another bike. Like he said, he just got to add the swing arm and then the wheels on there, and then it's pretty much done. They're going to clean it up for me and get it right, and then it's back in motion, man. Now, I got to take these little gold trim pieces off. Definitely don't like those, but got to snatch these off, get some different ones. But all in all, it's looking good. Big CVO-ski with the Big Daddy on the Big Daddy. Can't wait. So if y'all look at these wheels, I believe these are the wheels I got on mine. So I think these are the wheels we putting on our Big Daddy, man. So I can't wait. I can't wait, man. Big carbon fiber for the carbon fibers. Y'all see what's going on, man. Land of the CVOs. Meanwhile, guys, from sunny skies to the cloudiest of the cloudiest, it's raining and all that, we have just made it back to where we need to be at, man. We gotta go to Harley real quick. I need like 2 more parts to get this strawberry lemon drop bike finished. So we about to go up in here, get our parts, head to the shop and get that put on so we can actually know that thing is 100% ready to roll and all the above. Let me find my keys, man. God, I want nobody to ride off my ride. But yeah, let me find these keys and we'll get it together. Alrighty, guys, we done got our parts. This is where the funniest thing is going into these Harleys, talking to the person at the parts department, and they think they know more than you. And they're taking 15 minutes to find a freaking screw when I already gave you the part number. So you said you had a 18 Road Glide? This part comes off a 2020. Bro, I gave you the part number, that's what I need. Then I asked him for some screws. Dude didn't know what the heck he was doing. But furthermore, we got what we needed to, and I'm out of here and I'm ready to go to the shop and get this stuff on the bike so we can see how this thing rides and slides, because we still ain't rode it yet, man. So we gonna see what's up. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to slide, man. And just like that, guys, we got this thing completed up. We got the freaking saddlebag support brackets on there. We got the saddlebags on there. We got the exhaust hooked up, tightened up. We got the lights wired up and everything. Looking good. We got the shifter on there. Now we can shift this sucker. We also put our oil line back on there, brand new oil line on there. So we should be good to go there. Then I also added a little bit of oil to it, man. So only last thing to do is put some gas in it, because I did take it for a ride around the little block real quick, and it was dang near about to freaking just run out of gas, man. So I'm about to fill it up with gas, and then I'm gonna ride it, and then we could probably get a first ride with y'all, man. Let's see what's good. Alrighty, man, we done got some gas up in this sucker. Let's see if it's gonna stay alive.